Hi guys, welcome back to Class of Learning. You're with Rahul Sharma, your friend and guide, and this is all about what I've been waiting for a long time. Yeah, this is what I'm going to share with you guys. This is my silver play button for the channel जो आप लोगों ने बनाया सीरियसली क्लासिक वे ऑफ लर्निंग. अब यहाँ पे बात करते हैं हम सिल्वर प्ले बटन की. व्हाट इज सिल्वर प्ले बटन और हमें क्या मिला है इसके साथ. Yes, recognition the team, the efforts, the letter from the YouTube. Thank you guys. Thank you for your love and support. And here, what we have been waiting for, that is silver play button for classic way of learning while posting 1 lakh subscriber. This is for you guys. Look at here. Finally, I'm having this in my hand. So thank you very much for your love and kind support, and really I'm very happy that you guys are always with me. So please keep showering your blessings. So we're going to take lots of other. तो बाकी मिलते हैं जल्दी नई वीडियोस के साथ. काफी टाइम से वीडियो भी नहीं बनाई थी, तो मैंने कहा चलो सिल्वर प्ले बटन आया है तो आप लोगों से शेयर किया जाए. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच.